Yeah, alright everyone. As you can see, it's a rainy day here in New Zealand. Getting myself prepared. Maskin ulan pa guys. Let's go! So, backlight ni guys, padulong sa bus station. 5 minutes away lang ni siya gikan sa akong apartment. So, sa puton dari ang weather no. So, gihina nakita niyo ulan. Then karon init na pod. Then wala taon niya ulan na pod naron. So, 1 minute before mabot ang bus and ari na pod. So, ulan na pod siya guys. So, tamang pasilong lang dari dapita. Alright, nakasakay na dito yung bus. So, kani biyahe na ko padulong sa akong workplace. So, it's around 50 minutes away from my apartment. So, let's go. So, time check, it's 7:15 AM. So, until 4 atong duty ron. So, alright, 30 minutes break. So, kani breakfast ug lunch na ni guys. Then, after ani, 1 hour to go na lang. Then, end of shift na. So, easy. And yeah, that's it. Uwi on time na. See you tomorrow. Bye.